everyone, welcome back to another video. So my name is Poma Murmu and this video is going to be my day 15 of the spoken English challenge, and I hope and each and every one of you are absolutely fine and keep hard working to achieve your goals. So in this video I'm going to tell you the truth behind the LSRW, means listening, speaking, reading and writing. Yes, these four are the very basic steps of spoken English journey, guys. So in this video I will share everything in detail in English, and I will also share my experience with listening, reading, writing and yes, speaking, guys. So let's start with the listening, guys. So listening is, yes, I will definitely say this is a very crucial part of our spoken English journey. But but what type of thing you should listen and what you have to skip it, this is the very much important thing. So listening, to listen to those people who speak in with Indian accent. Don't listen who speaks with the American accent or British accent or any kind of foreign accent, because we are the beginner and we are like, we don't use any kind of English sentences from our birth, so we are unable to understand the foreign accents, guys. So that's why I would suggest to listen the Indian accents people's English. So yes, listening is very much important, because when I was in standard 4, from that time I was listening English, and because of that till now I have improved a lot by listening, because listening helps us to use what, like it increase our word stocks, and it also increase our vocabs, and it also increase our, how to pronounce the particular word, and also all the sentences. Because what happens when we listen the videos of any persons, or like when we listen any type of English words, then we have like, they would, all the words are just set up in our mind, and whatever comes in our mind we speaks out. So because of that, English is very important. And yes, I have listened a very video, means many videos of English in my past. Okay, so let's push after about the like speaking. So yes, if you are learning, if you are reading and if you are writing, means you are like learning a lots of grammar and you are learning tenses and everything, but still you are not speaking, you are not practicing in speaking, that means all are will be not worth it for you, because speaking is that like key of speaking is like the key of like spoken English, because it's overall increase our personality, and we practice English and we are learning English to speak. And if we are not speaking, that means all are just going are like a burden, and it will not work for you any further if you are not speaking. So speaking is very important, and I have spoke a lot in my life. If you will see my videos from my day 1 to day till now, I have improved a lot just to speak in English less than of 10 minutes. Because if you will see my videos of my previous, all that I have uploaded on my channel, all the videos of just of less than 10 minutes, guys. Yes, I will definitely say that I have like learned a very much English, and many of you are asking me that you have improved a lot by this practicing of 10 days. But yes, I have learned many things few years back, but I have missed up my fluency, and because of that I have started this YouTube channel. But yes, this fluency have already gotten up and added up right now, and because of that I can speak English in front of you. So this all about the listening, speaking, and the third one is reading. So like reading is very much important, means from the childhood, from the one standard and till now, reading is a part of our life, because we go to the school and we read the book and just come out, and we go to the any kind of official work like bank and all the like official places, and all the government places, in the office and everywhere we read. But reading or all type of reading are not improved, all type of reading are not like like keep a part of our spoken English journey. What kind of reading is just make a big effort while improving your speaking English, then I will say like you are reading a book and you are just murmuring the word. You are not like reading the book loudly, and you are not listening whatever you are reading clearly by your own ear. That means you are not reading, guys. You are just singing like without any kind of, like you are just what, you are just murmuring. You are just murmuring, you are like shivering and just reading. You are not reading, because reading is like you have to read a book, you have to read up pages about two pages a day, and by a loud sound, like producing a loud sound. And still you will improve it by reading about of like two pages a day about of for 1 month. And you will just what, you will just, yes, you will see your pronunciation will be improved, your vocabs will be improved, your word stocks will be increased, and overall your personality will be increased. And I have read a book many, guys, when I was in standard like 2. And from that time I was to wake up on the 4 a.m. And that time, from that time I used to read a book. Book means about of 2-3 pages every day at the morning. And because of that I have like, there are lots of words in my mind, but still I don't use all those words, because in our daily life all the words are not necessary. Because you have to, means you have a limited word, and make with those limited word make a bigger sentence, and that help you to be a fluent speaker, be a confident speaker in front of the people, guys. And the fourth one, it is very much important, writing, guys. Writing is very very important. Many of, yes, you and me, that time I was not that much knowledgeable. I was also in very much confusion, means what does writing means actually. If I tell you my own experience, writing means, suppose you have a picture right now, you have taken a picture from somewhere else, and you have to write it down about the picture on your notebook without any help of Google and ChatGPT. And whatever comes in your mind about that picture, write it down by your own word, and by constructing your own language, and by using your own grammar and knowledge, everything. Whatever you have learned, whatever you have learned, guys, like grammar, tenses, vocabs, whatever words, sentences, verbs you have used, you have learned, just write it down by using all these kinds of, means, knowledge. So writing, that kind of writing will help you. Means you are just, suppose you have taken a not, means taken a book, and just you have read it, and right, you are like what, copying whatever, like mimicking all these kinds of words in your notebook same as it is written on that book, then it will not improve your English, it will not help you to improve your English. Yes, what will you can see, what you can do for improve your English by writing, then what you can do it, just take about 5 or 4 class of English books, and just read the book, read the story of that particular English book. And it may be of about 2 or 3 pages. Just read out the book and understand what is happening over on that particular story. And what you have to do after completing or after reading that story, just close up the book and take a one sheet of paper and take a one pen and write it down in your own word, in your own, by making a sentence, by constructing a sentence by your own knowledge, all tenses and whatever grammar that you have learned. Write it down in your notebook about that story, without seeing any kind of means without seeing any kind of story. After, when you take a notebook, a white sheet paper, and without seeing, without missing any kind of words, and write it down in your notebook. It doesn't matter if you have missed any kind of sentences, any part of the story. It is like all the mistakes are the step stones of our success. So we will just ignore all the mistakes that I will be like, we will people will do while writing. But definitely whatever comes in your mind, whatever things that you have read on the particular story, write it down a notebook, and it will help you a lot when you do it for about a 1 month. So that's for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please let me know in the comment section, is it helpful for you or not? And if you really want to understand about the listening, reading, writing, and speaking detail, that how you can apply in your life and you will be just successful English speaker, then I'll definitely share you. So you are learning, I am learning, we all are learners, and let's evolve together, and I will help you to speak English like me. So that's for today, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.